Assemble the grater. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the grater. Pump. That's all. Let's level the ground for laying the railroad. We need to wash the grater. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Keep it up. We need to assemble the dump truck. Ready. Now let's load materials into the dump truck. Now it's your turn. Amazing! Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. Don't stop. And now let's grind the seam. Hooray! Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Ready. Let's assemble the track laying machine. Ready. And now we need to fuel the track laying machine. Press the pump. Done. Let's lay rails and sleepers. Let's wash the track laying machine. Keep up the good work. Let's assemble the dray scene. Hooray! Now let's load road signs onto the dray scene. Keep up the good work. Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. We need to wash the dray scene. Keep it up. We need to assemble the railroad excavator. Don't stop! Let's fuel the railroad excavator. Pump. Keep it up. Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. Let's wash the railroad excavator.